Hey, what's up, Vechain holders? You know why Vechain is one of my favorite cryptocurrency? Vechain is every day going up, every day. They give me a good chances, they give me a good jump. So therefore, Vechain is one of my favorite cryptocurrencies. So before I can start this brand news, this good news video, I just request you to please subscribe every stick channel, because subscribe is absolutely very good for you, because I give you a latest updates of all cryptocurrencies. So let's get started a Vechain video. I hope you just subscribe every stick channel and like video. Please like video. Okay guys, so this is the start of this month, and you can see here the last 1 hour result. Absolutely, this is last 1 hour result, and you can see here the change is 0.01%. absolutely, this is very small change, but this is absolutely a good change. You can see here absolutely gone up like a rocket. So here you can see here the price is absolutely gone up. So let's check out the last 1 day result. I hope the last 1 day result absolutely gone up like a rocket. And this is not a jumping time, but you can see here absolutely this is not a jumping time, but they can start a jumping. You can see here why the result is bad. I explain you. Okay, so here you can see here this starting dumping. You can see and this time you can see the graph result absolutely going down. They can start a dumping because this is the start of month. This is one big reason. This is start of month. What you say, this is start of month, therefore they can start dumping. I hope all people is gonna sell, therefore the price is going down. You can see you can see this time the price is going down, and this is absolutely very bad change. You can see here minus 2.22% as absolutely very bad change, but this is the start of month. Everyone can sell it, therefore the cryptocurrency, all cryptocurrency is going down, not a Vechain unique. Okay, Vechain is absolutely going down, but you can see here in the graph result is going up like a star. This is let's check out the last 2 hour result. I hope the last 2 hour result absolutely gone up. I hope the last 2 hour result is gone up. You can see here the last 2 hour result absolutely gone up. So this is big changes. You can see here, I hope today they can cross easily. This is the last day of they can go down. This today, after that they can start dumping, they can start jumping, sorry, they can start jumping day by day. They can go up, and I hope they can cross it $1 and a few days. Absolutely $1. What you say, can they cross $1? What you say, Vechain holder, please alert what's this going on. Please say that they can. I sell it then again, but I hope they can cross $1. If they not cross $1, I sell it. This is not a good time for Vechain holder, but I hope in the coming days the Vechain change it. Okay, so thanks for watching. For latest videos updates, please subscribe and press the bell icon for latest news. Allah Hafiz, take care.